Happened on a flight from San Diego to Houston in May of this year. Had a woman not noticed a blue blinking light in the airplane's bathroom, the perpetrator may have gotten away with it. This morning, allegations of an alarming discovery on a United Airlines flight. Authorities say a blinking light in an airplane bathroom turned out to be a hidden camera. This newly released criminal complaint says a camera was discovered by a woman flying in first class on a flight from San Diego to Houston. After spotting a blue light near the door, she grabbed the object, quickly handing it over to the flight crew. Upon landing, the United crew immediately turned it over to airport security. The airline telling us when our crew was alerted of this issue, they acted quickly to notify the appropriate authorities. We will fully cooperate and support this investigation as it moves forward. According to the complaint, footage recovered shows a man setting up the camera, face obscured, but distinctive jewelry and clothing. The FBI scoured airport surveillance video. Agents say they were able to match the clothing and jewelry to a suspect, Malaysian national and Halliburton employee Choon Ping Lee. The company released a statement that they are aware of the situation and they are cooperating with the FBI and U.S. Attorney's Office in their investigation. But it's not just airplanes that are vulnerable to potential voyeurism. Just last fall, a Pensacola family say they found a hidden camera facing their bed while cruising to the Caribbean. And in 2017, a couple in Florida was secretly recorded in their Airbnb rental. A camera was hidden inside a smoke detector looking down on their bed. That perpetrator was sentenced to 364 days for filming his Airbnb guests. Yeah, disturbing to say the least. In the United Airlines investigation, the FBI says they also recovered deleted files from that same hidden camera, finding video of an earlier Emirates flight, which included video of two women. The suspect is expected in court this week. If convicted, he faces up to a year behind bars. Disturbing, though.
Very. All thanks. We're going to turn now to the new study showing a troubling link between teenagers, e-cigarettes, and marijuana. In fact, researchers saying adolescents who vape are more than 4 times as likely to go on to use marijuana. ABC's Eva Pilgrim is here with much more on this. Morning, Eva.
Good morning. This study finding e-cigarettes, which do contain nicotine, may be a potential gateway for marijuana. On Monday, researchers at Boston's Children's Hospital releasing their analysis of 21 studies, finding that teens and young adults who used vapes were nearly 3.5 times more likely to use marijuana. Now, for those e-cigarette users in middle school and high school, that number gets even higher, as David mentioned. That 12 to 17 age group, 4 times more likely to go on to use marijuana. But the long-term effects both of these substances can have on teens is still relatively unknown. Researchers tell us with conventional cigarettes, it took 20, 30, 50 years to fully